Are you a new Fiverr seller? Do you want to be successful and earn thousands freelancing on Fiverr? Then you must watch this video. In this video, you will learn 5 quick tips that will help you get more orders. Number 1. Choose your username wisely. When you create a Fiverr account, you have to choose a username. Most sellers don't give this much thought and pick a random one. This is a huge mistake. Freelancing on Fiverr is all about gaining buyers' trust. Do you think you look trustworthy if your username looks like this? Don't be afraid to include your name in your username. Fiverr does not allow changing usernames, so if you choose a bad one, you are stuck with it. Number 2. Have a profile picture of yourself. Also, don't be afraid to use a picture of yourself in your profile picture. A profile picture gives buyers a sense of who they are working with and helps to establish trust and credibility. When buyers can see the face behind the seller, it humanizes the experience and makes it easier for them to trust the seller and feel more comfortable about working with them. A profile picture can help establish a rapport with the client and make communication more friendly and personable. This can also help to increase customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. It's important to use a profile picture that clearly shows your face. Avoid using images that are too far away, or ones where your face is partially obscured. Also, dress appropriately. For example, buyers will not take your services seriously if you provide tax consulting services and wear a Pikachu t-shirt. Number 3. Be online. By being online, you show potential buyers that you are available and ready to work. Buyers may browse Fiverr looking for a seller who is online and ready to communicate with them. If you're not online, you could be missing out on potential orders and clients. New Fiverr sellers often check their accounts only in the morning and evening to see if they received any messages. This is a mistake, as they will not get the online status. Buyers will see that they are not online. Have Fiverr open and refresh the page at least twice an hour. If you receive a message, reply instantly. Buyers send the same message to multiple sellers. Therefore, if you don't reply fast, your competitor might reply faster and get the order. Install the Fiverr mobile app so you can reply to buyers even when you are not at your computer. Number 4. Address buyers by their names. Addressing someone by their name is a sign of respect and recognition. Most sellers create quick response templates that start with hi or hello and don't bother to personalize them, at least with a name, before sending. It will take you just a few seconds and make a big difference. Using someone's name helps to establish a personal connection between you and the buyer. This can make the buyer feel more comfortable and help to build trust. When buyers do not mention their names in a message, try clicking on their profile and checking the seller reviews. Sometimes sellers mention buyers' names in their reviews. Doing this demonstrates that you have taken the time to learn their name and value their business. Addressing Fiverr buyers by their names is a small but effective way to improve your communication, build relationships, and increase your chances of success on the platform. Number 5. Have a video. A video can grab a buyer's attention and keep them engaged with your gig. It allows you to showcase your skills and personality more dynamically than just text and images. Most importantly, a video improves the search ranking of your gig. After publishing a video for my gig, I noticed a significant improvement in my gig's ranking. The video also improved the click-through rate of my gig. Not many sellers have videos, so any gig with a video stands out. Remember that your Fiverr gig video is a reflection of your services, so it's important to make it as high quality as possible. If your video has terrible lighting, is blurry, and the audio isn't clear and easy to understand, buyers will not think highly of your services and will contact a different seller. If you are not good at making videos, ask a friend who is, or hire someone on Fiverr. Number 6. Have more gigs. Each of your gigs has the potential to get impressions and clicks. You can target different keywords for each of your gigs and increase your chances of buyers finding you and contacting you. As a new seller, you can create up to 7 gigs. However, this does not mean you should create 7 gigs. It is important that all your services are similar or that they complement each other. For example, if you offer website development, you can have a general website development gig and then create niche gigs. You could offer website creation services for law firms, restaurants, or dentists. If you offer services across multiple different categories, you will lose credibility, as buyers will not see you as an expert at what you do. Who would you trust more? A seller who focuses solely on website development or someone who also offers proofreading and translation services? You can be talented and able to do various things, but if you want to succeed on Fiverr, it is better to specialize and focus on just one service. Number 7. Ask for reviews. Reviews on Fiverr are very important. The more reviews you have, the better. Fiverr prohibits asking buyers for positive reviews, but you can ask a buyer to leave you a review. You don't violate Fiverr's terms if you don't imply the review should be positive. You can use the word review without any adjective or ask for an honest review. If buyers don't leave a review, but you know they were happy with the work, don't be afraid to reach out to them and ask. However, sometimes you don't know if a buyer is happy with your work. For instance, when you deliver an order but don't hear from the buyer, and the order gets automatically marked as completed after 3 days. You should not ask such a buyer for a review. Instead, follow up and ask if the delivery is okay or if he wants to make any changes. Never ask for a review unless you are certain the buyer was happy with your work. If you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any similar videos. If you have any questions or comments about Fiverr, leave a comment below. I will reply to all of them.